Here's some highlights from my recent Topline talk. If any of you were interested and couldn't attend, we discussed quite a lot about horses' balance and how things that we do as owners in terms of stable management, age, the workload, our riding ability as well, which we don't always like to think about, impacts that horse's top line. We also discussed how we can use different training aids and tactics to help to recruit some of the stabilising muscles, not only in the limbs but in the spine as well, to give us an inside-out version of strength. So it's not all about just working horses trotting around for hours on end. The whole body connection as well we discussed. So all these different lines on this horse here discuss how everything congregates around the poll and the jaw area and then floats around different sections of the body. Some of the lines extend all the way down the back of the hoof, across joints, through some of those structures that are commonly injured, and how these map the entire compensatory patterns of the body. The more we know about these, the more we can build healthy and more successful horses. If you couldn't attend, let me know in the comments some of your questions about top-line building, whole horse health, and how everything is linked together. I certainly learned a lot myself, and hopefully we'll be doing some online sessions in the future.